welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, myself Ashwati, I do you covers, you tutorial, vlogs and much more. So if you're interested in any of these contents, do consider subscribing to this channel. So guys, in today's video, we are gonna play one of the beautiful track from the movie Ale Payude. Yeah, that movie itself gives us goosebumps, right? Yes, it's a beautiful track, Kadal Sadugudugudu. So yes, everybody, make sure your Yuki is tuned. Now, without any delay, let's jump into the cards. Coming to the cards, you can play the Hindi version of the same, also with the same chords and same strumming pattern. So the cards which we will be using to play this song is, don't worry, just 4 chords. That's all and that's it. That is G chord, C chord, D chord and E minor chord. So first let's see how to play these chords. To play G chord, you need 3 fingers. First place your index finger on 2nd fret, 3rd string. Place your middle finger on 2nd fret, 1st string and place your ring finger on 3rd fret, 2nd string. So this is G chord. To play C chord, very easy. Just place your ring finger on 3rd fret, 1st string. So it will sound like this. That's it. Now let's play the E minor chord. To play E minor chord, you have to actually place you need 3 fingers, okay? So first you have to place your index finger on 2nd fret, 1st string. Then you have to place your middle finger on 3rd fret, 2nd string. Then you have to place your ring finger on 4th fret, 3rd string. It will sound like this. Yeah, it sounds nice. I know. This is E minor chord. Okay guys, so now the next one is D chord. To play D chord, again we need 3 fingers, or else you can play with 1 finger also. So it is like you have to place your 3 fingers on the same fret, that is 2nd fret, 2nd string, 3rd string and 4th string. So it will sound like this. This is D chord, or else you can play with 1 finger, that is your middle finger, placing all the 3 strings together, and it will sound like this. Make sure you are pressing the string properly. So that's it. Okay guys, so that's all about the chords. It's very easy and very simple tutorial. I made it as easy as possible because yeah, I know everybody needs easy tutorials. Okay guys, so now let's come to the strumming pattern. Actually, I have picked up 2-3 strumming patterns, but in the tutorial I will be telling you the basic strummings which I have used. You can stick into one strumming pattern also, there is no problem. So the strumming pattern, the first strumming pattern I will be using as normally holding the G chord and doing this. That's it, okay? So the next I'll be picking up like down, down, up, up, down. This is the strumming patterns, the first strumming pattern. So it will go like up, down, 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 up, down. That will be the strumming pattern which we'll be using in the first some lines. Then after a certain point, I'll be using the other strumming pattern, that is down, down, up, down, up. So it will go in a little bit increased speed like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's easy. It is just that when you have to move your wrist in a little bit faster. That's all. So it will go like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's it. So there is no it's not compulsory that you have to take up these 2 strumming patterns and all. You can stick into only one strumming pattern and just make sure that you are holding the chords properly. That's all guys. So now let's go to the let's learn portion together. So the starting of the song, we are starting from Unnullam Nankana, from that portion, okay? So the starting, we are holding the G chord, starting from the G chord. So this is our scale of the song. So it will go like this. Unnullam Nankana. Until that, it will go in G chord. Then we are shifting to D chord. That's it. Okay, so it will go like this once more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. G chord and D chord. That's it. That's it. Okay, so D chord is actually as per your comfort you can hold. I'm holding with a one finger because we have to shift a little bit faster, that is why. So you can play even like this also, no problem. Okay, yeah. So the next line, that portion also again going in G chord, then again shifting to D chord. That 4 lines actually going the same chord progression, that is very simple, G chord, D chord, G chord, D chord, that's it. Okay guys, so now we will just sing that portion and see. Chord progression is very simple, G and D. So ready, 1, 2, 3, go. The next line we are picking up the strumming, again the same chord progression, G and D. Okay, so the strumming is down, down, up, up, down. So that area, the lines are like D chord. That's it, again G chord. Again D chord. Okay, that's it. Only G and D chord we are using. So the next portion it will that is I know it's a most favorite portion, right? Like Kondalum, Kondalum. That portion we are using the E minor chord. So this is the chord. Okay. So you have to hold the strings properly, or else it will sound very weird. So hold it properly. Kondalum, Kondalum, yen swandam needane. Nothing. I'm just shifting E minor, D and C. That's it. Those 2 lines are going in this same chord progression. We will just give it a shot. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Kondalum, Kondalum, yen swandam needane, ninralum, senralum, un swandam nandane. That's it. I know it's a little bit tricky to shift your fingers fast, but once you practice, yes guys, you all can do it. Okay, so the next line go like that portion, that high portion, like that portion. Okay, so that portion again we are holding the E minor chord. Yen var ke wale mein that portion will go in C chord, so it will go like this. That's it. The next line, that is Nagila, 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 that will go in the same chord progression, that is E minor, D and C. But we are picking up the strumming pattern like down, down, up, down, up, down, up. That portion, okay? So it will go like this. We will just give it a try. Nagila, 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 oh. Shifting. Then again we come to end in the C chord. So I will just show you how it will go like a single line. It will go like this. Nagila, 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 oh, Nagila, oh, Nagila, 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 oh, Nagila. So that up, down, up portion will end in C chord. That's it. The chord progression is similar, E minor, D and C. Only the strumming is changing. Okay. The next line, that portion again goes in E minor chord, and the same strumming pattern we are following. The chord progression is again similar, E minor, D and C. So we'll just give it a try, okay? So that up, down, up portion is mostly ending in the C chord. That's it. And again we are going to Kadal Sadugudu. That Kadal Sadugudu will go in E minor. So Kadal Sadugudu. Again C chord. That's it. I'm ending like that. You can even sing that whole Pallavi with this E minor, C chord progression. So it's very simple guys. Only thing is that you just have to get used to it, that fast shifting, that's all. But I made it quite simple, not quite, it's actually very very simple, because you can play the song with 5 to 6 chords also, but I reduced it into 4 chords and included one EC chord, that is C chord. So you all should have to give it a try. Okay guys, so now let's play along this wonderful song together. enjoyed playing this beautiful song. I am waiting for your all videos. So do send me the video. You can send me in Insta ID Ashwati Music Cafe. So that's all for today's, guys. I will see you soon with another videos, covers, tutorials and everything. So that's all. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you soon. Until then, positive vibes and ta-ta.